Kia ora, and welcome to this ATNZ how-to video. Today we will explain how to submit a timesheet on behalf of an apprentice. The time filer system can be used both as an app and as a website. We will use the website throughout this demonstration. To begin, go to the time filer website. In the My Time tab, you will see the apprentices working within your business. If you have more than one apprentice, you can use the drop-down button to see the full list and select each apprentice individually. When you click on an apprentice, you will see their timesheet. Next to each apprentice's name, you will see the status of their timesheet. It is possible for the host to complete the timesheet on behalf of their apprentice. It is not recommended that this occurs as part of standard practice. However, it is possible should the apprentice be unable to complete their own timesheet because of extenuating circumstances. Other videos are available on how to submit a timesheet. Please refer to these as guidance. We recommend that you always discuss timesheet submission with the apprentice, as this will directly affect their pay. If you have any issues with the work time or allowances available to the apprentice, please get in touch and we can discuss the options available to you. We hope you have found this video helpful. Please check out our other videos we have or get in touch with us if you are having any issues. Ka kite anō.